Can somebody please show me a flip over that's not slick back? I want to see a flip over that's fresh, no slick back. The only thing that's slick is your edges.
Hi guys, and welcome to my UlaHair review. I hope you guys are all well. They sent me their raw Burmese curl bundles. I got one 18-inch and two 20 inches. Look how stunning the curls are. I can't wait for you guys to see it when it's wet. This is my simple braid down. I have one anchor cane roll at the back, and then I have the ones at the front, which is going to be the leave out. So I started off with having the back of my hair sewn on, which was the 18-inch bundle, as I wanted the hair to be not too long. So I thought start off with a short length and add the 20 inches at the top, so it would kind of be like the similar length when you finish the whole hair. It was very simple to do. Each section had two wefts, and we made sure not to cut the hair so that I can just use this next time. This tutorial is very beginner friendly, as you just keep on crisscrossing the tracks until you make your way to the top. As you can see, this is it at the top. My mum just did the first row. I like to reuse bundles, so I try not to cut it where possible so that I can use it over and over again, whereas there's other methods where you cut small pieces of the weave and you stitch that at the front so that you can flip it each way. But I kind of knew how I like to style it, so I didn't really need to do that for this tutorial. At this point, I knew I was about to eat this hairstyle up. I was so excited to start styling it. First step in blending out your leave out is getting out your edges. I didn't get too much because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. I used this ebon tamer to hold my hair back instead of gel because I didn't want it to be crunchy and crispy, you know. So I thought using ebon instead of gel might give a more natural effect, and it did. It was a great alternative. Following this step, I then used a mini straightener to curl my edges as I wanted it to be fluffy at the end. So this just straightened my hair because I'm going natural at the moment. My hair is very thick, so this just straightened it out. I used a very small amount of gummy, and I also placed it more towards the root of the hair and left the ends more fluffy. I also find using a small amount of gel, you get to play around with how you want your edges to be, what way you want it to face, or how small or big you want it. Lol, look at the concentration in my face. So this was the longest part of the tutorial, where you section the hair, brush it out, and then use water and your curl activators to define the curls. I can't lie, after doing all of this was definitely an arm workout, but it's so essential. Don't skip this step. These two products are a must have. I love the John Frieda curl collection. But I keep it like it's Curse of the talented. Everywhere I go, they wanna change clothes and pose. But my wife be in my dreams, bruh. No, I couldn't see it. I saw her silhouette. No, I could make her. Then I wake up, no. I just break out. So guys, as you can see, this hair is 10 out of 10. I love this curl pattern from UlaHair. This Burmese curl is so nice. It's so easy to blend your hair with. Guys, make sure you use my coupon code because you need this hair. The texture, the shine, it's just gorgeous. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. I love you. Bye.